Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you websites and apps. Try to put a little extra money in your pocket. Giving you best information I can. Okay, today's video is Dosh app. It's a pretty popular app. Gives you cash back on stores. All you do is connect your credit debit card and it's GPS location based. See, I live in a small town, which I don't get the variety as I would with a bigger town. But say you go to Pizza Hut and you pay your bill at the end, well, you get 3 to 5% back on your purchase. Any app or any place that is in your location, you will get money back when you pay with your card. Okay, that isn't why I brought this up. The best way to make money out of this app is by referrals. For each referral, you get $5 back, and you get the cash out at 25. And I want to show you guys how easy that is. $16.37 on my Dosh out wallet. Excuse me. All you do is you help me, I help you. Transaction takes, when I'm gonna put my link in the bottom. You can sign up whether you want to or not. Option's yours. Within 5-10 minutes of you linking your card up, you get $5. And you can do that back and back again and again. That's the power of this app. So this is going to string a series of my past 2 videos, referrals. That's where you make the money, guys. Referrals. Okay, I said stick with me through this video. Now we're on to 2. This site is Shrinkern. It's a URL shortening site where it shortens any website URL where you can link and get paid. I will show you the rates. Depending where you live, this is how much you'll make per 1,000 clicks. And I want to give you some strategies how you can do that. I want you to do this legitly, guys. No spamming. Hurry. Alright, guys. So, whatever niche you're in, health, cooking, music, you could take like a YouTube video. Let's just pick one. That's the link. You just copy that, paste that URL, and you can go on social media for one and provide value to that article or link or video. And you can warn people ahead of time. It's going to come up with the advertisement. You can tell people about that advertisement so it doesn't scare them away like it's spammy. And that's one way you can promote your video. Clicked out of that one. My bad. Is Kiora. You can sign up for this, guys, for free. And the strategy goes, again, provide value. Here. And you can earn up $15, $20 over and over again. Let's go back to the YouTube strategy. You can go back to any big YouTuber that has 50,000, 100,000, over that, like to a million subscribers, and go to their comment section. And like I said, guys, just don't paste your link. Don't spam it or you'll get kicked off. Try to provide value to that link. And that's two extra ways I brought up that you can make money on a daily basis. Hey guys, that's all I got for today. I'm just trying to bring you as much value as I can, guys. The most upfront way I can. Alright guys, that's all I got for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for future videos. Until next time, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.